Yes, kids, still here trying to solve the case. Let's remember the things the suspects were doing at the time the necklace was stolen. Sam, the millionaire's son, was reading some history books in the library. Martha, the granddaughter, was doing some online work in her room with a friend. Laura, the mother, was stretching a little bit on the porch, and the neighbors were meditating in their living room. Now we know that the crystal box was broken with an object. But with what? I'm still thinking of that. Hey! Look, on the floor there's some dust, like red dust. So that means the object might be red and dusty, right? Let's see in all different scenarios what objects were red and dusty. Well, in the library there's a red candle, but I don't think you can break a crystal box just with a candle. I don't think so, right? No, not here. In Martha's room, what's red? Red and dusty, red and dusty. Not really, there's nothing. Let's see in the next scene, in the porch. Look, I have it. Next to the mom there's a figure, and it's like super red, and I'm sure it's also dusty. That makes the mother the first suspicious, but why? She's super rich. Let's check the neighbors just in case. Can you see anything red and dusty here? No, not really. Oh no! What's that? That's the dog's family. Can you see it? It has the necklace. Oh no, I can't believe it. The necklace was never stolen. The dog is full of sass. It was just the dog playing. I can't believe it. Okay, case solved.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, again working with the past continuous. Remember, the past continuous is the tense that helps us talk about what was happening in a specific moment in the past, right? In the past. And somehow was interrupted, yes? By something. So, the form. How can we create a past continuous form? We just need the subject plus was aware. And remember that was and were are the past forms of the verb to be. And the verb ending in I and G. Yes? So we have these examples here that we need to complete. Let me just take the orange and complete it. I was reading, you were reading, it, he and she was reading, you were reading, we were reading, and they were reading. Super easy. So she was reading a book on the couch, or she were reading a book on the couch. We have it here. She was reading. Okay, and this is it. Well done. Now let's go and complete these sentences in past continuous. I was or I were is I was. Remember, so I'm going to use different colors today. I was working in my office with my computer. That is what Mama says, okay? I was working in my office with my computer. Then we were reading, right? We were reading some books, yes? Then we, again, if it's we were studying, we were studying history in the living room. We had an exam the day after. And I was cutting some grass in the garden, yes? So that's it. Very, very easy. Now what you can do is, if you want, you can paint the words in here. I was. You can paint them like this. I was aware. Yes. And then you can go and paint the different verbs ending in ing. I was cutting the grass. I was studying. I was studying. I was working. I was working. And the last one, we were reading. Yep. Very, very easy. So what were they all doing when the necklace was stolen, right? I was working. We were reading. We were studying and I was cutting. Good job, guys.